KUHP.
Oke,
Mbak Naswa.
Sebentar dulu Bang Effendi. Sebentar dulu.
Mbak Naswa nanti.
Saya nyebutkan dari mana saya mengatakan itu bertahan atas kepentingan tertentu tidak. Saya tidak pernah bilang begitu. Anda jangan menyampaikan informasi yang saya tidak pernah keluarkan. Tapi apakah kemudian itu sempat diklarifikasi seperti tadi pertanyaan Pak Joni? Sempat diklarifikasi.
Ada surat yang dikirimkan ke Pak.
Oke.
Menurut saya tidak relevan lagi kalau kita bicara
Kita akan lanjutkan setelah pariwara.
Harus dijawab dengan real juga.
Di mata Najwa.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Sri Handayani. I'm a faculty member at the English Literatures of Kebangsaan University Bandung. Now I'm taking my doctorate study at the Linguistic Study Program, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. In the great occasions, I would like to present my research paper. The title is Verbal Attacks in Political Talk Show in Indonesia, a case study of Mata Najwa. 6 scopes of this research presentations will be research background, research objectives, theoretical foundations, research methodology, research and discussion, and the last is conclusion. Let's start to the backgrounds. As we know that the complexity of the structures of speech sentence in interpersonal interaction affect communication strategies, so that communication strategies are very important to convey the intent and purpose of the speech. In addition, the context and purpose of language use affect changes in functions of language in social interaction. For example, one of the changes in the functions of language is that language can be considered as the tool to attack others that is known as a verbal attack. Verbal attacks can be considered dangerous if they emotionally have disturbed and hurt. This phenomenon often occurs in political debates because sometimes in political debates or political films talk shows, there is a purpose to convey the mission to be delivered so that the utterances or speech will be very varied to influence the public with the argument presented. The effect of verbal attacks can be conflicts between host and resources persons, conflict between resource persons, debate in society, legal actions, and program bending. And this is based on the backgrounds. This is the research objectives. These objectives are to describe how verbal attacks are delivered by the host in public talk show, to identify and categorize the patterns of verbal attacks delivered by the host of the talk show program in order to the resource person appropriately respond to the attack. And this is the theoretical foundation that underlying the analysis data. The definitions of verbal attacks are taken from Martins 2015, Smith 2016, Algens 1983, and the presupposition taken from Huell 1996, and the functions of language taken from Washtar 2006, Foucault 1982, and the Runwald and Chen 2015. And the last is types of verbal attacks taken from Evans 2010. This research is use descriptive qualitative designs with the research object, the host utterances of speech that is taken from 5 episodes of talk show Mata Najwa with political themes. Adu kuat di Demokrat, berebut tahta di tengah wabah, beres-beres kursi Menkes, gaduh 3 periode, and kritik tanpa intrik. And this is the illustrations of data resources. And this is the research of the discussion. There are 392 host speech that is found from the 5 episodes of the talk show themes political taken from Mata Najwa. 28.10% is indicated as potential verbal attack. The example of analysis of verbal attacks are described as the following. Apa yang berubah Mas Gibran? As taken from the utterance, hampir 2 tahun sempat bilang tertarik politik, sebelumnya bilang nggak tertarik. Sekarang waktu itu tertarik tapi masih lama 20 tahun lagi. Tiba-tiba mencalonkan diri jadi wali kota. Apa yang berubah, Mas Gibran? We can see from here that expressions of question apa yang berubah Mas Gibran. We can see the patterns apa bla 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 or what's bla 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 question mark. And the presupposition that is underlines ada yang berubah dari Mas Gibran. And the context explain the attitude change of Mas Gibran. From the presupposition context and the utterances that is stated before that, these questions are considered as verbal attack and how the host attacks the resource persons by judging and criticizing. The fact that underlines why it is verbal attack is the fact like Gibran is inconsistent with his words. Gibran will be interested in public in 20 years. Gibran will only run for mayor in 20 years. By this assumption, it is hoped that the interviewee will be uncomfortable with the question. It is the same steps in the second example, taken from another or different types of patterns. And this is the conclusions of the categorizing of patterns of verbal attacks, that there are 12 categories of patterns with the different frequency and percentage here. And how the host asks to the resource persons to explore some information that is needed. The host combine the pattern into some words such as kenapa bla bla bla, kenapa bla 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 ada, kalau bla 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 justru, bagaimana bla 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 bla, tapi bla 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 kan, jadi bla 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 atau bla bla bla. This is the combinations that is used by the host to explore more information from the resource person. Finally, we come to the conclusion that these research conclusions are political talk show potential tend to result verbal attack. That verbal attack is used by the host to explore the information from the resource person. In order to know the verbal attacks referred by the host, the resource persons have to understand the presupposition and faith underlying the question. There are two main types of verbal attack found the mata najwa. So in the case of question delivered by the host to the resource persons, question sentence and statement sentence. And the sentence pattern of question is dominated by the question words apakah, that is do or does, bagaimana, how, kenapa, why, apa, what, and conjunction as jadi, so, tapi, or but, model, mungkin, may, and what's memang or even. And the way how the host attack the resource person is dominated by answering, judging, criticizing, denying, accusing, and blaming. And this is some references that underline this paper. This is the end of the presentation, and thank you very much.